Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we have the Hestra Alpine Pro gloves that my mom got, so we're going to test them out, and this is what the box looks like, and this is what it says on the box right here, so you guys can see. This is what they put on the inside of the box. So they're called the Women's Fall Line Black Alpine Pro is what they're called. It says right here, Women's Fall Line Pro. So that's what they have. So let's open them up and see what they feel like.
Get my hands in there unless we take the thing off.
Gotta take that off?
Yeah,
okay.
because it's double.
Yep. Oh, they give you conditioner. That's conditioner for the gloves to make sure you keep them soft. This Velcro's out, remember, if you have to make it looser to get it on here. Oh, that's another connection here. There we go. That's so the snow doesn't go in there.
They look big, but they fit good. My fingers are, I know they look big, but they fit.
But they fit really good. What, is there anything else in there? Make sure there's nothing.
Another
there you go,
strap, which is
one of the
removable.
straps. Oh, okay. So that is removable.
Because I know, if you're not going to go skiing, then I don't want that. Yeah,
How do they feel?
nice.
They look nice.
Yeah, but you can't wear them
How do they feel?
like they're to go out and shovel or out.
Out and shoveling or snowmobiling or
Yeah.
even skiing.
Right, they're not to wear like, when I get in the car and drive.
But still, they're
can
made for
move.
cold.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're nice and warm. They're soft.
So it does come with a little conditioner right here, so you can condition them. I don't know when it tells you to condition them, but obviously you can look that up online and see when you need to condition them.
Oh, maybe it's not removable. I thought it was removable. Because, I don't really need that. Like, that's really if you're going to go skiing or something.
Yeah, so they stay connected to you, yeah.
But I can
That's
take
pretty
that
cool.
off. Yeah.
All right. There's that as well.
Although I guess you can take it off. You just have to take this strap off. Yeah.
All right, so it's pretty cool. So those are the fall line that she got, the Hestra, and they're really soft. They feel like butter. They do feel like butter. Wow, they're really soft if you feel them, right? Feel them? They feel like butter. So they are really soft. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the Hestra Women's Fall Line Alpine Pro black gloves that she got. And she does like them. They seem pretty cool. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Subscribe to my channel and also join me on my review adventures of everything we get and we like to review and help everyone out and see what's going on. All right? So everyone have a good day. Enjoy. Bye-bye.